Testosterone is a necessary hormone for both men and women, but it plays a larger role in men who have higher levels. It helps with male sexual development and health, muscle growth, fertility, fat loss, and a variety of other health issues. Here are some natural ways to boost your testosterone levels. Number 1. Lifting heavy objects. This is the most common piece of advice given to men who want to increase their testosterone levels. This is due to the fact that numerous studies back up this claim. One study even discovered that lifting heavy weights for 3 months can boost your overall levels by up to 8%. The next tip may appear strange, but number 2 is keeping your balls cool. It has been proven that keeping your balls cool increases your overall testosterone production. But how would we go about keeping your balls cool? Experts recommend sleeping naked as well as taking cold showers, which have their own set of benefits. Number 3 is to get enough sleep. Numerous studies have found that the more high-quality sleep you get, the significantly higher your testosterone levels will be. This is primarily due to the fact that our bodies produce testosterone while we sleep. To get the best night's sleep possible, keep your room completely dark. That means turning off all electronics and using curtains instead of blinds. Other suggestions include sleeping in a cooler room, which will result in better sleep, and avoiding stimulants after noon, which will keep you awake. We also want to avoid too much blue light, which is a type of light that can disrupt your circadian rhythm or sleep schedule. Use apps like Flux to filter out those lights in your computer and phone. The fourth step is to modify your diet. There are numerous dietary adjustments and changes you can make to increase your overall testosterone level. Fasting for 16 hours has been shown to boost testosterone levels by as much as 280%. Fasting also has a slew of other health advantages. Cholesterol is a component of all hormones, including testosterone, and studies have revealed a link between the two. The higher your cholesterol level, the more testosterone you produce. Moreover, contrary to common belief, eating cholesterol does not raise overall cholesterol levels in the body. Eggs, sardines, and oysters are all high in cholesterol and contain significant amounts of zinc and D3. This brings us to the topic of essential vitamins. Vitamins and minerals are essential for testosterone production and are an easy way to boost your testosterone. Zinc levels are highly correlated with testosterone levels. Magnesium is also beneficial to sleep and has been linked to increased testosterone levels. Vitamin D deficiency is becoming more common as a result of an increase in office jobs and an indoor culture. Experts discovered that simply supplementing 3,000 IU of vitamin D per day in men has been shown to greatly boost testosterone levels. It's important to remember, however, that vitamin D overdose can be fatal. As a result, it is critical not to oversupply. Another thing to keep in mind is that the D3 form is preferable to the D2 form, which can be harmful to your body. The fifth factor is lower estrogen levels. When it comes to increasing your testosterone levels, as well as the effect of your testosterone, lowering estrogen is critical. Estrogen binds to androgen receptors, which are limited in number in your body. This inhibits testosterone binding to those receptors, resulting in less overall testosterone effectiveness. You should lose weight to reduce estrogen levels. An enzyme in fat cells converts testosterone to estrogen. Estrogen then boosts your fat on the body. This cycle continues, making you heavier and your testosterone less effective over time. The only way to break free from this destructive cycle is to lose weight naturally, by exercising and dieting. You want to limit your BPA exposure. BPAs are estrogen mimics that are commonly found in plastic bottles and can linings. We also don't want to keep fatty foods in plastic containers. Number 6 is to reduce stress. According to research, there is an inverse relationship between cortisol, the stress hormone, and testosterone. Lowering cortisol levels will boost testosterone levels. Power poses, which mimic the body language of confidence and dominance, can help lower cortisol levels. Simply mimicking a specific emotion's body language will cause physiological effects in your body. Hold poses such as the Superman pose, in which you stand with your feet apart and your hands in the air. Meditation is widely regarded as one of the most effective methods for lowering cortisol levels. Meditation for 10 minutes per day has been shown to have significant impact on your overall cortisol levels. Chewing gum reduces cortisol and anxiety slightly as well, although only slightly. Finally, increase androgen receptors. To have your testosterone have a greater effect on your body, you must increase the number of androgen receptors. A great way to do this is to take L-carnitine and L-tartrate, which upregulate androgen receptors, increasing their number throughout your body. However, avoiding overstimulation, particularly from drugs and porn, is a more effective way to increase your androgen receptors, because researchers have linked overstimulation to a decrease in overall androgen receptors. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the new videos that come out that are all just for you.